I'm Pauline and I work with Breakthrough, which is a global human rights organization. We work on issues of violence against women through domestic violence, early marriage, and sex selective elimination. We work out of the India and the US office, and we use media, arts, culture, and technology to bring issues of violence against women into a public domain and inspire people to take action to make the lives of other people around them more fulfilling and dignified. I feel that the situation, especially about safety and security of women in Delhi, especially from all the news that we hear, is getting worse by the day. Uh, Women are no longer safe or able to feel safe when they're even coming out by themselves during the day. I personally have felt several times that I need to have maybe a friend with me or take a certain mode of transport that I wouldn't question before. So, especially after the December 16th incident that happened, the rape incident on the bus, it just feels more unsafe that, for women who were able to go out are not able to do that, and even despite being with a friend, that girl was raped, and very brutally so, on a public transport, which one wouldn't think of because they would expect other people to be on the bus, and therefore that used to provide a sense of security. But however, I find myself questioning that security more now because I do not know if those people are going to help or if they're going to be culprits or perpetrators. Similarly, even when I'm on the road, I think twice before even asking for help from strangers. So my immediate reaction is to call up a friend or a family or try and get away from that place or avoid the place where I feel unsafe. So what I think should happen is, like I said, even what we believe in Breakthrough, the role of men and boys are critical. So recognizing that women do have an important role to stop violence against them is also something that is critical. So it is as much the women and the men, therefore saying that the entire society, everybody around us, has that responsibility to recognize violence that's around us, to stop violence that's around us. If we see someone getting harassed, it all it takes is to let that one person know that we are there for support and to be able to provide the support. And if we feel that we cannot, then at least having a few numbers handy to know where we can call for more support from. And which is why I think the crowd guarding app is very critical, because through the app we can at least reach out and know that there are people around us who are willing to help, and also when we need help we are able to call out to other people around us, and also like the app shows us that these are the people who are willing to help, are coming forward, and that kind of gives us confidence that help is arriving, instead of feeling like there is nothing that can be done in this situation, and therefore feeling not just helpless but vulnerable and furthermore scared. So yeah, I think what we should then do is also get more men and boys to come forward to support women, to recognize violence, and to also actively become the people who speak against it and stop it.